And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create complex tree branches in seconds. We can use another render function for that under extensions render and L system. You can see under help how this algorithm works. It's a little bit complex, but let us just go over the practical application here. I'll check the love preview. And I go down with the order and you can see this whole, let's say, function is applied more often the higher the order is. And the rules for the function are explained up here. Then I start with the axiom and I change it to ++b. And now if I add b's into the rules, you can see that this branch gets bigger and bigger as more of the function is applied. And plus and minus, this dictates in which direction these additional branches are created. You can check the step length right here. It's in pixels and you can randomize it. So if I go up with the randomization, it differs a little bit from the 25 that I've chosen under pixels with each branch. There's also an angle that we can set. So as I've set, the plus and minus, they indicate the angle. If you make the angle too big, you get this effect where there are just chaotic lines overlapping each other. So don't go too high if you want to create branches like I do here, and you can randomize that as well. We can add more and more orders, but keep in mind, if you go too high, it takes a lot of time to render it. So depending on your CPU power, you don't want to go too high. My CPU has already problems when I use an order of 5. So you may want to use that as max or even go below it. If you've got what you want, just click on apply and you've got it. And you can see what has been created here is something that would have taken you at least half an hour, if not longer, to create by hand with the Bezier tool. And let me just show you what happens if we change the ++ in the axiom. So once again, I check the live preview, and if I change the axiom, I can change the incline. So right now it's clockwise or to the right leaning, but let me go down with the order, otherwise it's going to take hours to render. So let's set the order to 3 and I start with a regular B, and we've got it set in a straight line upwards. And if I add pluses, you can see it goes clockwise, and if I add minuses, it goes counterclockwise. So this is what's happening with the plus and minus signs here under axiom and under rules. And this is how you can create such a complex tree branch within seconds in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.